Tuesday, June 25th. We gotta check in here with Dad. This is the second to last day. So it looks like Dad took off on me here to go with Randy to do something. But I know he's got the linkages to do, and he's got to put in that fuel tank here yet, so it's noon. I was been informed for last week that this is coming, and he told me yesterday this was in here. So no fuel tank. I have no idea what's going on with the linkages, if that's been worked on or not, but looks like he is working on it because I can see the light down there. Yeah, Tuesday. The customer's here tomorrow. There's two big things that need to be done. One is the fuel tank and one is the linkages. So I don't know what's going on here. I might have to come back later on this afternoon. Pulled up on Dad taking a tour, so I'm going to follow in behind him. See what's going on here. No snow, obviously, so we're going to just follow him the best we can. Brings no end of joy to me that this is being done. This is happening. I was so worried. Oh, look at these happy dogs. I was so worried that this wasn't going to happen. Seems to be turning really nicely. That was my concern with the wheels. But all seems to be good so far. How's she run?
Not shifting properly.
Okay, well, we've got to check in with Dad and see what the problem is. And late afternoon, Tuesday, June 25th, and there's no blue Bombardier. As you can see, I just did the video of the test run, but I'm going to try and clean this up because I can imagine the Bombardier is going to be coming right back in. So Dad just parked it, and then he's did a little tinkering with the transmission. He's doing another spin around the yard here, so you're going to see him come out from here in about 2 seconds. There it is, coming in straight, and he's got her in high. And he's pulling it back into the shop. So, gonna have some more work on this here yet, but if he's got the timing all right, and then all the linkages, might be some final tuning. Yeah, hi.
Treat time.
Yeah.
Well showed up.
So what's left here? Is it not shifting correctly still, or what?
Shifting gears.
At all, period?
Well, drive, reverse, and neutral. Yeah.
Okay.
Park.
But it's not.
It's in low right now,
Okay.
and it should be. If there's 3 shifts, see,
Okay.
2 short.
Okay. So Dad's got the plywood in here for the seats, but he did get it out of the shop, so he's that much closer.
Seats and the windows is all done.
Okay. Oh, it's sure nice to have friends. Hey, sure nice to have friends come by. Hey, Charles in charge, employee of the month.